Modding classic Blizzard games like Diablo 2, StarCraft, or Warcraft 3 and need to access MPQ archives. These contain all the game's assets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Blizzard Mo'PaQ archive files. We're tackling this MPQ file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. A proprietary archive format developed by Blizzard Entertainment for compressing and storing game assets, used extensively in titles like World of Warcraft, StarCraft, and Diablo. MPQ files bundle graphics, sounds, and map data. Users often seek to open these files to browse game content or create modifications, mods. The MPQ Mo'PaQ format is a binary archive designed for performance in a gaming context. It supports compression, encryption, and file segmentation to optimize loading times and protect game data. Its structure allows for efficient random access to individual files within the archive, which is critical for on-demand asset loading during gameplay. Technically, the best program for MPQ is usually World of Warcraft from Blizzard Entertainment. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows supports only limited archive operations, so full access depends on proper extraction software. To resolve the conflict, we need to test installed programs. Right-click your MPQ file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with World of Warcraft if it is present. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. If your MPQ file will not open, do not worry. Now, it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, using MPQ Editor. Download MPQ Editor from Zazula's website, or Ladislav Zazula's WinMPQ tool, which provides comprehensive MPQ manipulation. These tools open MPQ archives displaying contained files with extraction, modification, and creation capabilities. Right-click files within the archive viewer to extract them as standard formats for editing or replacement. Next, game-specific modding tools. Use specialized tools designed for specific Blizzard games, like Cask Explorer for newer games or game-specific mod tools for older titles. These tools handle peculiarities of each Blizzard game's MPQ implementation, including encryption keys, file locale variants, and patch archive systems used in maintaining games. Finally, programmatic access. Use libraries like Stormlib for C++ or Python MPQ for Python to access MPQ archives programmatically. These libraries handle the format complexities, enabling custom tools and automated extraction workflows. This approach is valuable for batch processing or integrating MPQ access into custom modding pipelines for serious modders. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.